Hi, this is Doug Henschen, Vice President and Principal Analyst at Constellation Research. We're here at Zoho Day 2024 in McAllen, Texas. And I'm here with Kris James. He's BI and Analytics Manager at Sparex. It's a tractor and agricultural equipment parts manufacturer and distributor. It serves equipment dealers all around the globe and $100 million in annual sales. Welcome, Kris.
Thank you very much for having me.
So Sparex has been using Zoho Analytics for 6 years. What are the data sources? How are you using it?
So we have 18 different subsidiaries around the globe. They all have different ERPs. So we merge them all into one through our SQL Server Management Studio. And through that, we are able to reduce the formatting issues that we have for the discrepancies between the systems. And then once we clean that up, we fire that up to Zoho within a half hour, thanks to Zoho's data bridge tool. It's about 10 million rows in about half an hour it takes to go up there every day. And then we distribute that amongst the users. We have about 200 users on Zoho, and they use it daily.
So what kind of users? What departments are using the analytics?
So the first department that came on to use Zoho was our sales reps. So that was the 18 different subsidiaries. We actually, when I first started at Sparex, there was only 12 on at the time. We've worked through the years to get more and more of our subsidiaries onto Zoho as well. But not only is just gone to the sales reps and their managing directors, we also now use it at all of our head office departments as well. So we've got the likes of our product management, purchasing, supply planning, finance, IT. Everybody uses some form of Zoho reporting now.
So how many in the sales role and how many up at headquarters?
From our users, which are about 200, we have about 140, I think, that are sales reps, and then the remaining 190 get to 190, 200 are head office.
Right. And how are they consuming the analytics? Are we talking about reports or dashboards? What's the kind of interaction?
There's multi-facets to the way we distribute data. A lot of them have dashboards able to them, but also we have just pivot tables or just the charts. But on the dashboards, obviously, you can host widgets and dashboards and charts all in the one go. But we also send automated emails for data cleanliness checks. So we have one report which identifies which products are coming towards the end of their lifespan within this company. So we flag those in our system using the master system. And then we send that out to all the product managers and the purchasing teams to let them know these products are coming to an end, start to kill them off.
Okay. And it's the only Zoho product that you're using. Just curious, why was Zoho Analytics selected? You're using a lot of other technologies, using Microsoft SQL Server Data Warehouse. Yeah. Why Zoho? And I know it was chosen before you got there, but you've made the selection to continue using it. Why?
Absolutely. So a few years ago, we did a review on Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, and Zoho, amongst others as well. And ultimately, we decided that the features that were available in Zoho, we weren't even touching all of it yet. We were still quite new, it felt like, within the analytics realm of what we could do. So the scope of how we could improve was still so much further within Zoho, and let alone the other tools which offered the similar sort of practices. And Zoho's price as well was much more competitive and much more friendly for our book balance. So we stayed with Zoho. And not only that, from the features and the price as well, but their support. It's fantastic. I've not seen anything like it in any other product, whether it's like in my personal life or in professional life. The support is fantastic, whether it's from the developers that I chat to, from the product managers, or even from the actual customer support team themselves. They're all so friendly and so helpful and just want to help us to get along with our day-to-day.
Okay. So that was 3 years ago. You did the review. Were you looking at the roadmap and what was coming from Zoho Analytics, and what are you looking to use in the future?
Yeah, it's a big part of our review is the roadmap, and it's something that we try to get as early as we can from Zoho to see what the features they're bringing out soon and where they're heading. And one thing that we are really interested in using, and we already use some of it already, is their AI capabilities. So they have 3 AI tools built in within Zoho. They've got Ask Zia, Zia Insights, and the Data Prep tool as well, all of which we use to some degree. And they're so helpful to get not only us to send out reports a lot easier or to clean the data a lot easier. That's obviously one tool that we really benefit from is the data prep. But from the Ask Zia is so helpful for our users because they don't have to wait to email me ask the question to then send something back to them. They don't have to figure out how to create a pivot report or a chart report, which they may feel a little bit uneasy to do. But they can just type in a question and Ask Zia just gives them the answer.
So where are they doing that? Where, natural language query is what Ask Zia is all about. Where are they using that? Do you embed that everywhere? Or is that something they're using from within a report or from within a dashboard?
It's available at the click of a button on every report, I believe, but also it's on the left-hand side on the website. It's on the left-hand side. Ask Zia is just there. It's straight away, one-click button, and then you can ask the questions. It's so easy to get to and access.
Okay. And any plans to spread the use of that elsewhere, maybe into applications?
We first want to spread it out to all of our users. As Sparex is a global company, and at the moment, Ask Zia is only available in English and Spanish, and it's just come out in French, I believe, as well. We've got a lot of users elsewhere around the world. We've got Poland, Denmark, etc., and we need it to be in other languages first. We want to really give it out to our sales reps because they are our top users, our sales reps, and I really want to give it out to those guys first to get them to be able to see the power and the benefits of it.
Well, that's great. I wish you the best of luck. This is Doug Henschen with Constellation Research, here with Kris James of Sparex, talking about the use of Zoho Analytics at Zoho Day 2024.